I have a 2022 Gen 3 Raptor, and the dealership said it needs a cabin air filter, so we're going to go ahead and change it together because I couldn't find one on YouTube. So we're going to go ahead and do the cabin air filter change. This is a 2022 Gen 3 Raptor. This has the 37 package and the blue interior with the Recaro seats. It's actually a lot easier than the previous years. Pretty simple. We open up the glove compartment. We have these little tabs on the side, which we'll push in on both sides. The glove compartment will come down. You're going to want to let it come all the way down, pull straight out. That gives us total access under here. A lot nicer than having to pull out a couple of screws like they were before. This part's similar to the Gen 2 Raptor. You got two tabs here on the side and the other tab over here. You just give those a yank. That'll fall down, and then at the bottom you have two tabs, one there and there. And those tabs slide in here and here. That'll pull all the way out, and then you'll have your cabin air filter here. And a little dirty, but not too bad. So you're gonna make sure that your air filter has the kind of flatter side on the bottom and the tabs on the top. The side tabs go towards the left and the right, and these bigger tabs here go to the front and the rear. And you'll just slide it in, and the reverse process is pretty much the same. There is a little trick. So once we get everything back together, there's a little trick on these tabs on the bottom of the glove compartment. As you can see, they're open on the bottom. So if we have it all the way open, as we put it in, they'll all slide into place. So as you see, kind of slide it up in this position, this kind of down position. And then if they don't, you can see I didn't get that far side in, it won't close. Again, you'll have to pull these tabs on the side to open it back up and reseat these tabs, which is kind of hard to do with one hand, but can be done. So you seat them, all of these tabs here. And again, you have three. So 1, 2, 3 across there and 3 across the bottom. And you shut it all back up, you're good to go. Obviously put a filter in, but there you go. Hopefully that helps. Have a great day.